Hi guys! Good morning! Today ay aalis. Let him come so Alia can play. Quickly na! So yan guys, ay andito kami sa bahay ng aking biyanan. Be careful, open the door. And then, alis kami today. Yan. Punta kami sa Manipal Hospital dahil ang aking biyanan ay may pa-Quiz-B daw na sinalihan at kailangan ng mga supporters. Supporter ni kasamang maglaro. Hindi man tayo ganun katalinuhan pero sana ay makasagot tayo kahit isa. General knowledge lang naman daw yun, spelling. So magaling to sa spelling. You're the good in the spelling, right? And then nasa likod si, let's say hi. Mommy. Hi. You sit with Baya, okay? With Daddy, okay? You sit in the middle. Yeah. You stand like that only. First time namin aalis na nakasakay dito sa aming sasakyan. Ba yan? Baba. What is that? Wait. Close more on it. Yan, we are going now. At tuwang-tuwa ang baby Alia.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
We are here na in the hospital inside waiting. Yung mga participant muna yung nasa loob. Tapos after nung one round, second round kami mga family kasama. Nantay lang ang sinabuti. Nandito kami sa Manipal Hospital. Ayan guys, maraming ng mga participants. Ayan, tapos pupunta sila doon sa loob. Dito yung tinatanong yung mga participant. Tapos upo muna dito yung mga family.
2,500 laptops. So much memory we can store, but we hardly use that much. And each neuron, as I told you, it can have ramification and connections. So each neuron, it can connect up to 10,000 other neurons. It can communicate through the branches. And see, you know, supercomputers, how powerful it can be. Our brain is much more than a supercomputer, probably. See, supercomputer sometimes it can beat our brain by computation, calculation. But our brain has more than that. So it adds more flavor to it, it adds emotions. The body stays in dramatically. We were saying. Now about the memory. See, basically memory is subdivided into two: one short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory is very short. It is few seconds in a brain. That's all. Okay. So you see something, just with a glance. It may become a long-term memory or it may not become. It depends sometimes on the attention, interest. Okay. And the rehearsal. How much you do rehearsal. Everything it depends. So working memory. See, if I ask you 2 plus 5, so you will calculate in the brain and tell 7. That is a short-term memory.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So that is short-term memory. Because if I ask after half an hour, 1 hour, you cannot remember that, what I had asked that, unless you had rehearsed it. Okay. So long-term memory is actually whatever you store in the brain for a future recall or future retrieval. That is long-term memory. So in long-term memory, there are subdivisions. One is explicit memory, one is implicit memory. The explicit memory is a declarative memory, it is called. So it can be subdivided into episodic and semantic memory. Episodic memory is that it is related to events. So your function memory there. So next week some function can do that you are able to recollect part of it or for whatever it is. So that is episodic memory. Last week you attend madidira. So you have that memory, that is episodic memory. Okay, and each person can have a different episodic memory, same thing. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100 people will have 100 versions. Okay, episodic memory differs from person to person and differs from time to time. 70 kila knowledge and concept based memory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು?
Sobrang daming gusto magtanong. Gusto siya mag-explain. Guys, as you can hear that bilis-bilis ng mga pagsalita nila kasi medyo pinash forward ko siya kasi medyo mahaba yung vlog. At saka hindi nyo rin naman maiintindihan. Pero yun nga, yung mga dinidiscuss nga dito sa Manipal is all about brain, the function, ano yung mga causes na pwede maging sakit ng brain, at saka yung mga side effect, yung mga ano dito, ang tawag dito, symptoms ng sakit na yon. Ang mostly na dina-direct point nila dito is yung about sa ano ba yun? Amnerism disease or yung pagiging makakalimutin o yung dementia yan. More on daw yan ay nangyayari sa mga kababaihan. Nagtawanan pa nga yung mga tao dito nung sinasabi na itong speaker na to na ang pinakamalaking memory daw ay yung sa babae, sa mga kababaihan. Kaya daw mas malaki yung memory ng mga kababaihan kaysa sa mga kalalakihan dahil daw ang mga kababaihan ay maraming stock knowledge sa ating utak. Dahil daw kung mapapansin nyo daw sa buong mundo, ang mga kababaihan daw ay walang humpay na nakikipagchismisan. Yun yung sinasabi niya, walang humpay na nakikipag-usap. Ang dami-dami daw kwento, marami-rami daw tanong, ganun daw yung mga kababaihan. Kaya daw, sana sabi niya na mas malaki yung memory ng mga kababaihan kaysa sa mga kalalakihan. Kumbaga daw kung ang mga kalalakihan ay meron lang 16 GB, ang mga kababaihan naman daw ay merong 128 GB. Compare nga sa cellphone. Yan. Para daw silang iPhone Pro Max Pro. Sabi nung speaker, ganun daw yung mga kababaihan dyan. Kaya tumawa kami ng mga tao dyan. At saka ang mga tao nga pala dyan, mga participants ay halos mga nasa age of 50 above. Yan. Kasi nandun daw yung sa edad na yun yung mga nagaganap yung pagiging makakalimutin ng mga kababaihan, mga matatanda. So, i-check nila dito kung gaano pa bakatalas ang mga kaisipan ng matatanda. Kaya meron silang pa-quiz B na parang spelling. Kung titignan daw nila kung matalas pa ba yung mga pag-iisip ng mga matatanda. Ayan, dito nga ay tinatawag na nga dito yung mga, ang tawag dito, magiging contestant o yung mga nakapasa sa first round. So, ito ay second round and tapos mamaya yung final round.
So, we'd like to welcome you to the final round, sir.
Tinatawag na nga sila dito isa-isa. Bali 8 lang na nakapasa dito guys. 8 lang na matatanda yung nakapasa sa first round. So nasa second round na sila ng kanilang spelling bee. Ayan yung unang tinawag guys. Ayan si tatay. Mukha naman siyang matalino kaya siya nakapasa. At itong ang pangalawang tinawag na si nanay, yung nakasari na green at puting buhok. Siya pala yung nagwagi guys. Sobrang talino ni nanay. Grabe. Grabe yung IQ niya guys. As in lahat ng spelling na binigay sa kanya, pinapaspal sa kanya ay tama. Parang isa lang ata yung naging mali niya at napakahirap talaga ng words na yon. At saka yung mga words na ano nila guys, na pinapaspelling nila ay more on medical term. Ang napakahirap niyang bigkasin at napakahirap niya i-spelling. Ayan, ang galing niya, di ba? Yan si tatay. Nakapasok din siya katabi namin. Ang gagaling talaga. More on tatay talaga yung nakapasa. Or you know what?
Contestant number 5, Mr. Suresh Balram sir. Round of applause please for Mr. Suresh Balram sir. Contestant number 6, Mr. Y.S. Ashok sir. Mr. Y.S. Ashok sir. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 7, Sheila Raju madam. Round of applause please. Sheila Raju ma'am. Contestant number 8 and the last finalist for today, Aizaz Ahmad sir. Welcome sir. Aizaz Ahmad sir. A big round of applause for all the contestants who are qualifying for the final rounds. Congratulations to each and every one of you.
Guys, ayun. Spelling bee pa din ng 8 contestant. Tapos, karamihan sila na score. Sobrang hirap. Tapos, merong mga question para sa mga audience. At ang unahan naman kami sagutin. May mga gift silang binibigyan pagka na natatama yung sagot ng audience. Kaso, hindi kami makasagot ni mas ang bilis-bilis ng iba. At yung problema kasi sa akin, hindi ko mabasa yung nasa listing, nasa board. Kaya hindi ko masagot agad-agad. Binabasa pa ni Nina yan, bagad-bagad mapasa na itong batang ito. Kaya hindi kami makasagot ng mabilisan. Ang tagal. Diba, is 12 na, pero sabi 1:30 daw matatapos. We'll see. Guys, kainan natin na niyo yung pila. Kasi dito na si Umi at ako. At may batang nagbalik. Kain kami, biryani, potatoes. Spicy? Sobrang anghang na biryani. Sobrang dami kumakain guys. Guys, tapos na ako kumain. Ayan, si Omi hindi pa. Sinihan, ayun pa rin. Nangunguha pa rin siya ng nakuha ko siya ng tubig para extra mamaya. Extra tubig. Nakatatlong balik sinihan. If you want, Nihan, you make her down. She want to get down. Down? Get down. She want to get down. Ami.
One more extra.
No, na there. You can take from there, from the back. Ayan ang walang tissue. Ang dami kumakain na lang. Konti na lang yung nasa pila. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Hi, bedtime. Alam mo nangyari doon. Parang kumain na kami doon. Tapos ito na yung dumating na yung pasalubong namin galing Pinas. Galing kay Ate Glenn. Kasi nag-vacation sila sa Pilipinas. So, dinala niya ako dito. Dilis, guys. Dilis. Tapos nagaraya. Yes. Tapos itong magic sarap. Yay. And then, chocolate candy ata. Tapos ito yung pinapabili ko sa kanya, guys. Yung, mansanilya. Kasi si Ala laging may kabag, diba? So, pwede ito. Tapos, galing sa party si Navid. Wedding party. Oh, may dala na naman siya. Ito yung binibigay sa, wedding party. Kakain na. So, yung mga dry fruits. Tapos ito, nagpabili din ako pang linis ng tenga. Bakit ito, Ate Glenn, yung binili mo? Hindi naman ganito. Okay lang. Pero okay lang kasi mahal to. Ang pinapabili ko lang sa kanya yung tag 10 pesos. 10 lang to. 10 lang nga. Star. Kasi gusto ko linisan yung tenga ni Aya. Okay to, may light pala. Thank you, Ate Glenn. Thank you, Ate Glenn, sa pasalubong from Philippines. Ayan. Nagraya. Mga pasalubong. Thank you, Ate Glenn. May magic sarap tayo, guys. Titignan natin kung halal ba to. Chicken. Naman siya, guys, kasi wala naman siya nakalagay na pork. Chicken meat lang. Halal ba to, guys? Wala naman siya nakalagay na pork. Only chicken meat, egg, onion, sugar, garlic, chicken pot, flavor, seasoning, spices, natural. So, siguro halal naman to. So, yun, guys. Magpapahinga muna kami ni Ale. Mag-sleep lang kami. Tapos, baka umalis kami ulit. Tapos, mamayang gabi may party na naman daw na pupuntahan si Navid. Ewan ko ba. Tapos, mukhang uulan pa. Baka hindi na naman kami makaalis nito. Sunday kasi, nire-request ko sa kanya na igala niya naman kami mag-iinano. Lagi na lang napupuspon yung paggagala niya sa amin. Lagi na lang siyang pag oras na nang aalis kami, bigla na lang may tatawag, ganito, ganyan. Hindi na lang kami natutuloy. Tapos ngayon, alis na naman siya. Ewan ko ba sa pupunta yan. So yun, guys, mamaya na lang kung aalis ba kami or hindi. So eat that. It's a Dilis. It's yummy. You smell? It's good smell. See? Good smell. Good smell. See? Go na. It's small fish. Eat. Dilis. Yes, fish. It's small fish. Eat na, ma. Eat. Eat na, ma. It's yummy. Uy, it's yummy. Taste it na ba? Taste. Eat na ba? No? Why? It's yummy. Gagawa ko ng sausawan guys, yung may supa, saka bawang. Yummy! Tapos may paminta ka guys. Salt na naman po. Dahil ko pa nakakain ng fried chicken, ng mga mocha, dahil ko pa nakakain pag kumain ako ng digis, diba? Tapos lalo na yung pusit, nakakamiss. Oh! Napakainin ko muna siya tapos sunod ulit. Kasi pag kumain ako kasabay niya, naku, hindi matatapos si Aya. Madaming tawag dun? Ads. Kaya ito muna. You show to them the fish. Show them the fish. Show. Fish. Eat fish. Tell them, guys, eat fish. Uh-oh, you broke the fish. Why? Ang lilit. Eat. Bite it. Yummy? Nilo, eat. Pinig ba niya na? Oh, eat. Eat. You like it? Oh, she like it, ma. She don't like the head. Yummy. It's not like... Yes, in the tummy. The fish is in the tummy.
Mama's fish.
There's one fish over it. Nire-remove niya yung ulo. I will remove the head. We can share. Sharing is easy, so happy. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Oh yes, together we can be. Di ba nagustuhan niyo yung isda? O na lang maarte. Ayaw niyo nung amoy eh. O, nung natikman niya, o yan, gusto niya na. See, it's yummy. Fish. Okay, finish na. Finish na. I did not fry so many, only little later. Oh, di ba ko? Pakain ko muna siya doon. Guys, sleep na si Alia. Tomorrow, may school siya. Sabi mo daw, good night.
Night,
Don't forget to subscribe. Follow. Say follow.
Hello.
Facebook. Page.
Bitch.
Don't forget
You did it.
na subscribe.
Stripe.
Good night. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Finish na.